One of the questions, a lot of questions that come in have to do with marijuana convictions. And I think that question has to do with how are marijuana convictions different from any other kind of convictions. And the only answer is, if your conviction is only marijuana related, whether it's a felony or a misdemeanor, the process is still the same, the explanation of how the crime occurred still takes place, the explanation of what you've done with your life since then is still the same. It's just that when we file it with the Board of Pardons, they have been expediting the review of marijuana-only related cases to review them in as little as a year instead of the normal 2 years. So that is the only difference. There's also probably slightly less investigation that goes into them, although your entire record will still be considered. But for somebody with a simple possession or marijuana-only related case, the answer is it could be reviewed in as little as a year instead of the normal 2 years, but you still need to get in line. Also, people need to remember that if you have any unrelated charges on the same docket that you were convicted of, so maybe you possessed marijuana, but you also possessed some pills or some opiates, that's going to kick it off the expedited track, and it'll just get moved administratively into the 2-year review process. The marijuana convictions are really for exclusively only marijuana-related criminal dockets and convictions. So those are my thoughts about marijuana convictions.